Hello, welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you to remove your credit card on Uber Eats app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you to remove your credit card on Uber Eats app. We'll start opening up your Uber Eats app. Once you open up your Uber Eats app, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. And once you arrive on this main screen right here, look on the bottom right-hand corner to the right-hand corner, but you're going to see your account right there. That's going to be like your second right-hand corner. It's close to the order right there. And you're going to see your account right there on the bottom. So make sure you tap on account right there. Then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. So once you arrive here, make sure you tap on where it says wallet. So tap on wallet right there. Then once you tap on wallet, you're going to see your card all the way up on top by close to wallet right there. As you see, like add payment, above payment right there, that's gonna be your card. So what you're gonna do, make sure you tap on your card right there. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. And look all on the bottom where it says remove payment method. As you guys can see, tap on that. Then they're gonna ask you, are you sure you want to delete this payment method? Make sure you tap on where it says delete. And that's how you remove your credit card on Uber Eats app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them in my video description. And thank you for watching.